People. So, si Little Nobi pala ay nag-order sa Amazon. Ang dami niyang in-order. Ang dami mong in-order naman lang ga. Shall we open it? Okay, open. Open. What did you order today? Oh, no. Oh, wow. Oh, your favorite biscuit? Yeah. Oh, what else? Ano to? Chocolate chips? May chocolate chips tayo. Order ba tayo nito? Oh, ano pa? Oh, hala. Chocolate chip brochi. Bakit ganito yung brochi nila? Ano pa?
This.
Oh, wow. Ayan. Oh, what else? Dali. Give me. Oh, bread. Oh, liit ng bread. Oh, what else?
This is this.
Oh, wow. Oh, tea. Grocery pala yung in-order mo. Sa Amazon ka pa nag-order. Okay. More. What else? Oh, ano ba to? Ba't maliliit to? Hindi ko alam na maliliit yan. Oh, chocolate. Oh, chocolate. Dark chocolate. Oh, chocolate again.
This.
Ano? Oh, no more. Oh, what else? Open it. More. Ay, nako. Oh. Open. Oh, open each. Open. Shall we open it? Oh, you want some help?
Mom,
Oh, open here. Oh,
let's open.
open.